Thank you so much, guys. Okay, so now the winner, the best Rangoli of the day. Who do you think it is? Who do you think it is? Do you think it should be by some Indian friends, or do you think some non-Indian friends made the Rangoli? What do you think? Non-Indians? Yes, you're right. So the winner is Sydney and Nessie from Hong Kong. Okay, Coco, please come. And now may I invite Mrs. Priyanka Chauhan, the Consulate General of India. Please welcome. So they beat us at our own game. Thank you so much for making a beautiful Rangoli. Well done. Okay, so we have some fun awards as well for people who may not have worked hard at Rangoli, but they definitely gave attention to really, their attire. So we have Mr. Rocky that Desi Swag. Who is the guy? I'm talking about a man here who's really looking good today. Can you guess? He caught our attention. It's Advik. Can I have you on stage, Advik? And can I please invite Radhiji to felicitate Advik? Thank you so much. Now, Miss Rocky Tracy Swag, who do you think is looking the most beautiful tonight? Which girl has got your attention? Please don't answer that. Can I have Adhya on stage? Can I please invite Benji to felicitate Adhya? Adhya, you're looking so beautiful. I wish I had beauty like you. Okay, so we did a quiz, right? And we saw some people who really knew their stuff. They had their knowledge on point. So we have an award. It's a gentleman award. So like Mr. August Luthadol. And it goes to Brahma. Can we have you on stage? Yeah, please bring it all on stage. Can I invite the Ramochi to please felicitate Brahma? I think you are the reason Yamuna team won, right?
Yes.
Because we were only on one team. Teamwork means teamwork. So, so last award is creativity at its best. So while you were making the rangolis, we observed how people were really putting effort in the teams and who was the most creative among them. So we have with us the winner, and the winner is Nefi. And I invite Rakeshji to please felicitate Nefi. Okay, so I'm sure I've been battling here for all this life. You must be wondering, who am I? So my name is Isha, and I'm your host for now. I'm a PhD student at Hong Kong, and I'm really delighted to be here because we have amongst us some very special guests tonight, and I would love to introduce you to them. And I now invite invite some of the university representatives we have with us who have been putting really hard work for this event to be a success. So firstly, I invite our Consulate General of India, Mrs. Priyanka Chauhan. She has been a strong pillar for the Indian community, and she's been doing really hard work for us here. So please, I invite Ms. Pooja Mundale from City University. She's our representative from University of City University. So yeah, thank you. Okay, so we have with us Sri Lal Hardasani, who is the president of the Hindu Temple. He has been contributing to the Hindu community in Hong Kong for a long time, and he has made sure that our voices are heard. So I welcome you, sir, and I invite Sham from Hollywood to participate. Thank you. We have with us Honorable Eunice Yoon. She is the Legislative Council of New Territories East and has been rocking the basic flag. Thank you so much for coming. I invite Ms. Kiran Kaur, PhD student at the Baptist University, and Mr. Shubhankar Mukherjee, PhD student at Chinese University, to felicitate her. I would like to invite our Consulate General of India to share a few words with the guests. Thank you so much for joining us.
आप सभी को सबसे पहले तो दिवाली के पावन पर्व की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं, and that's all I'm going to speak in Hindi to be able to make myself understood by everyone here. I'll speak in English. So my heartiest congratulations firstly to everyone who has been a part of organizing this event. You all know who you are, so I'm not going to make specific mentions of everyone, but all the organizations and the individuals who have come together to make sure that all of us here together can feel like part of one family, which we are. So my congratulations to all of you. And I have only one small thing to say, which I believe that will be relevant to everybody, irrespective of whether you're Indian or not. And that's something which to young people I always try to say. Many of you are studying here away from India. Some of the others will also be studying away from your own countries, and you probably will continue to stay outside your own countries. Maybe for professional reasons, you may settle abroad and you may have only a distant relationship with your motherland. So the one thing I say, and I say this to my daughter, is that the tree which grows the tallest and the strongest is the one which has roots which are the deepest and the healthiest. So if you really want to, you become a global citizen, that's fine. But never forget who you are and what your civilization is. And जो हिंदी समझते हैं, अपनी सभ्यता और अपनी संस्कृति से जो आपको साहस मिलेगा, वो दुनिया में कहीं पे भी हो. I agree with you. Everybody. So my basic point is that if you really want to go forward and touch the sky, then please make sure that you have the tools as well. With that one small bit of advice from my side, I just like to wish you all a very happy festive season and Diwali once again. Thank you.
Thank you so much for your words, for your kind words, and it's a pleasure to have you here. I would like to introduce now a very special guest with us, Mr. Ricky Chu, Chairperson of the Equal Opportunities Commission in Hong Kong. He has been doing a wonderful job at ensuring inclusion in Hong Kong, especially for the ethnic minorities. We welcome you, sir. And I would invite Dr. Mukesh Kumar, postdoctoral researcher and representative from Hong Kong. May I please request you to share a few words with the audience?
My pleasure. Thank you.
Hello, good evening everyone, madam and honorable officers of the Vishwa Hindu Parishad and my friend and guests, ladies and gentlemen, Happy Diwali. Well, as I understand that Diwali is one of the most important festivals in Hong Kong for our Indian community here. While the Diwali is special to India, the messages it carries, i.e. of good over evil, light over darkness, and knowledge over ignorance, are treasured universally. At a time when humanity faces challenges in the form of the pandemic and global warming, as well as internal strife, we need to be reminded of the power of positivity. The symbolism of Diwali, with its celebration of light and color, is a great reminder of people coming together to defeat darkness. Small lamps, when strung together, can light up a large area, even the whole world. We need that spirit of collaboration, and more than ever today, we need it. Hong Kong is a place which is culturally rich, thanks to the various communities that make it home here. And I wouldn't be wrong to say, more Hong Kong people now know of the Diwali festival today than before, and largely due to the efforts of organizations, and in particular including the Vishwa Hindu Parishad in Hong Kong, which are keeping the traditional culture alive for the Indian community in this city. And so, I wish the Vishwa Hindu Parishad and all the Indian families in Hong Kong a very joyous celebration. Happy Diwali once again. Thank you.
So now I would request if you would like to share a few words, Ms. Yu. Were you reading?
Hi, all the distinguished guests, all my friends. I'm very lucky to be here. It's my pleasure to be here. It's my first time to celebrate the Diwali celebration in the Indian temple. Actually, it's my first time to be in presence in the Indian temple. So it's my great pleasure here meeting all new friends, old friends, Mr. DJ who brought me here. And actually, my party leader also is a friend of the Indian the groups. So I'm very happy to hear and to listen to the new friends' introduction of the temple on why we have to celebrate the Diwali date and why we have the light celebrations. And it's my pleasure to be here. So I'm very happy. So thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for sharing those kind words, and we hope that you come back to the temple soon. And now I would request Mr. Lal Harbasani if you would like to share a few words with us.
Hari Om,
Hari Om.
Hari Om,
Hari Om.
and Hari Om.
Hari Om.
Today, I'm so happy to see a lot of young people celebrating Diwali in our Hindu temple. This thing was started last year by Vishwa Hindu Parishad, and I requested them that this mandir is a community temple. You all must come and celebrate Diwali with us every year. So I'm happy that you all are here, and I hope it will continue every year. I wish you all the best in your studies, in your family life, in your progress in life. Happy Diwali. Thank you.
Thank you so much. So what do you come for? Come for food, right? So we have the prasad, and I'm sure that all of you must be anticipating. We have some really delicious treats for you. We'll serve that around 7:15. But before that, you don't forget that there will be some exciting gifts for all the guests. We don't want anyone to leave empty-handed. So we have some gifts for you, so please take them. And also, we have Garba, which is the folk dance of India. And I personally am really looking forward to that because I'm a Gujarati. So please join me for Garba before you go for the food. And now I would like to invite the head of the Hindu temple, and can I please proceed for the aarti? You may proceed.
Thanks for saying you. I'm not a head, I'm just a priest of this temple. And really happy to see all of you all together. Because being an Indian is the nature. You see, we all are here together to enrich our culture. Even though non-Indian also, I'll give a very good clappings. We should clap for them, for everyone. They are coming with us, doing all the activities the way we are doing it during the festival times, be it decoration, be it competition, whatever they want to give their contribution, big clappings for them, first of all. And this is something very best thing I have experienced in these past 2 years. This is a pre-Diwali celebration feeling which given by VHP, Vishwa Hindu Parishad, and all of you charming, good-looking students. Thanks very much, all of you. And thanks to each and everyone who has contributed their part in terms of from the morning till this evening for the decoration. And we have a aarti today. So most of you can sit and take the blessings from there only. Only few the initial people, they will come over there and do the aarti.
We request you to rise up for the prayer.
आप बैठे रहे. Yes, please sit. Because everyone cannot look the aarti nicely. So better you sit. And after the aarti, all of together, like this, taking aarti that way. Yes. Thank you. Shubham Kalote Kalyanam Arogyam Dhansaprada Shatrupti Vinashare Deepajoti Namaskute Om Chandra Mahamansa Jata Sujo Jayata Shobha Vaismara Sukhamikar Ajayata Om Jaya Jagadish Hare Swami Jaya Jagannath Hare Bhakt Jano Ke Sankat Das Jano Ke Sankat Shane Guru Hare Om Jaya Jagadish Hare Jo Jave Pal Mave Dukha Vinashe Manika Swami Dukha Vinashe Manika Sukha Sampati Ghar Aave Sukha Sampati Ghar Aave Saas Mite Tan Ka Om Jai Jagadish Hare Mata Pita Tum Mere Sharan Kisaki Swami Sharan Padho Mai Kisaki Tuma Bin Aur Nadura Prabhu Bin Aur Nadura Hasan Karo Mai Kisaki Om Jai Jagadish Hare Tuma Puran Paramatma Tumay Antaryami Swami Tumay Antaryami प्राणपति स्वामी सबके प्राणपति किस विध मिलो दया में किस विध मिलो कृपा में तुमको मैं कुमति ओम जय जगदीश हरे दीन बंधु दुख हरता ठाकुर तुम मेरे स्वामी रक्षक तुम मेरे अपने हाथ उठाओ अपनी शरण लगाओ द्वार खड़ा मैं तेरे ओम जय जगदीश हरे विषय विकार मिटाओ पाप हरो देवा उतप कष्ट हरो देवा शरदा भक्ति बढ़ाओ शरदा प्रेम बढ़ाओ संतन की सेवा ओम जय जगदीश हरे धन मन धन सब है तेरा स्वामी सब कुछ है तेरा तेरा तुझको अर्पण प्रभु का प्रभु को अर्पण क्या लागे मेरा ओम जय जगदीश हरे श्री ब्रह्मण की आरती जो कोई जन गावे दाता प्रेम सहित गावे कहत शिवानंद स्वामी कहत हरे हरे स्वामी परमात्मा फल पावे ओम जय जगदीश हरे ओम जय जगदीश हरे स्वामी जय जगन्नाथ हरे प्रभु जय दीननाथ हरे स्वामी जय जगदीश हरे स्वामी जय ऋषिकेश हरे स्वामी जय राधे श्याम हरे भक्त जनों के संकट दास जनों के संकट क्षण में दूर करे ओम जय जगदीश हरे ओम जय जगन्नाथ हरे ओम जय दीननाथ हरे बोल लक्ष्मण भगवान की जय। आइए एक पंक्ति भगवान शिव ओम जय शिव ओंकार प्रभु हर शिव ओंकार ब्रह्मा विष्णु सदा शिव भोले भोलेनाथ महादेव हर राधे राम हर 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 महादेव ओम जय शिव ओंकार बोलो हर शिव ओंकार मन जय शिव ओंकार मन रटे शिव ओंकार शिव ओंकार धर धारा शिव ओरत भगधारा शिव धरते भगवाला शिव पीते भगधारा शिव रहते भगवाला शिव पार्वती धारा शिव धंतन परिवाला शिव भैरते हरियाला गणा विरंग विराज शिव सत्संग वासार हाजन करिलाला ओम हर 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 महादेव शंभो हर 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 महादेव ओम हर हर देवोदेव महादेव शंभो पार्वती नमः ओम कर्पूरकारं कर्णावतारं गंगाधरं भक्तिकारं सदा वसन्तं विजयवदेव ओम भवानी सहितं नमामि ओम भवानी सहितं नमामि तुमेव माता दुर्गा तुमेव बन्धुसखा तुमेव विद्याधरं तुमेव सर्वं मम देवदेव सर्वं मम देवदेव सर्वमंगलमंगले शिवे सुवासादि शरण्ये त्र्यंबके गौरी नमस्ते विघ्नेश्वर वरदा सुप्रभातपुत्र इदं प्रभुते महाकार्तिके नमो नमः गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमो नमः। हनुमान जी को Okay, just one second, please. पवन तनय संकट हरं मंगल मूर्ति राम लखन सीता सहित हृदय सियावर रामचंद्र की जय पवन सुत हनुमान की जय उमापति महादेव जय झूलेलाल। ओम जय देवा स्वामी कयवर देवा पूजा कनका प्रेमी सेवा कनका प्रेमी जोत लगनका प्रेमी भोग लगनका प्रेमी विदुरानी सेवा ओम जय देवा। ओम शांताकारं भुजगशयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशं विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशं मेघवर्णं शुभंगं लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनं योगविनायकं वन्दे विष्णुभवनं सर्वलोकैकं मंगलं शुभमंगलं कृतमंगलं पुण्डरीकसमतं सुमनानि श्रीनिवासाय शरण्यतम्बके गौरी नारायण सदे लक्ष्मी नारायण सदे श्री अच्युतम केशवम राम नारायण कृष्ण नाम वासुदेवम वदे श्रीधरम माधवम गोपिका वल्लभम जानकी नायकं श्री रामचंद्रं वदे हरे राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्ण हरे गोविंदा हरे हरे। एक पंक्ति भोग से ओम नाभ्यासे रंगर्षिणं शीर्षं सर्व पदव्यां भोग दिशा शोभा तथा लोका अकल्पयम् ओम प्राणाय सोमवाराय 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 नैवेद्यं नैवेद्यामि। आओ मन मोहन प्रेम से भोग लगाओ मन मोहन। आओ मन मोहन प्रेम से भोग लगाओ मन मोहन। ऐसा भोग लगाओ मेरे मोहन सब अमृत हो जाए मेरे मोहन। ओम ज्ञानी गाने कपाली जन्मान दिक्कत ट्रांसलेशन दर्शः पदे पदे। धर्म की
जय हो,
अधर्म का
नाश हो,
प्राणियों में
सद्भावना
विश्व का
कल्याण हो,
सर्व देवी देवताओं की
जय हो,
हर हर
महादेव।
और आप सबको बहुत बहुत दिवाली की बहुत बहुत मुबारक और भगवान से प्रार्थना करते हैं हमसे कोई भी भूल चूक हुई हो उसमें क्षमा करें। ओम आभरण नदानं प्रवर्तनं पूजामृतं समर्पणं पापं मंत्रहीनं क्रियाहीनं भक्तिहीनं मैं जब पूरे में से परमेश्वर भगवान नाथ की
जय
सब तीर्थों की जय।